This video is sponsored by SimsonMall.
Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøller, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. Today's video is a big one. I'm teaming up with SimsonMall to give away this brand new longer B140 laser engraver. This is the same machine I use 2 to 3 times a week, and it's been my go-to laser cutter for all my projects. I'll explain how you can get this exact machine that's on my table and the special discount from SimsonMall that I can give to everybody who's sticking around. So let's get started. SimsonMall is a dedicated e-commerce platform focused entirely on laser engraving machines. This is their specialty. They understand the technology, they understand the market, and they have built their whole business around delivering high-quality machines at competitive prices. If you're either a hobbyist, a small studio, a full business, they have the machine that you need, and it won't break the bank. SimsonMall has also given me an exclusive discount code for you. It is the exact same as my name, and it is only valid through the link in the description where you can also see the code. And you will get 20% off if you buy this exact longer B1 series. If you've been thinking about getting a laser engraver, it's a very good time to do it. If you watched my previous videos, you've seen this longer B140 in action many times. I'll put a link up right here in the corner and also down in the description. I use this machine constantly. It's reliable, it's powerful, and perfect for any kind of projects that you do. It has a large cutting area, and to be honest, it is the best laser cutter I've owned until now. Let's talk about this giveaway. How can you get your hands on this box I have right here? To enter this giveaway, you will have to become a member here on my channel. You'll just need to sign up for at least 1 month, and then you can just unsubscribe again. It's okay. There will be a members only video explaining exactly how you will sign up for this giveaway. SimsonMall did not pay me to make this video. However, they sent me this laser for free. I'll only get a tiny bit amount of money from your membership, and I think it will just cover the cost of shipping this laser. And another thing, just keep in mind, I can only ship this box within EU for free. Norway and the UK is also included, even though they're not a member of EU. If you live outside those areas, you will have to pay for the shipping and local taxes and customs. But as a member, you will also get access to downloadable files and plans that includes my laser cut house. So you can cut it yourself and it will be free of charge. There will be a download link where you can just download the files. You don't have to buy it here down in my shop. And to keep everything fair, I will not be the one who's choosing the winner of this awesome machine provided by SimsonMall. No, the decision will be made by 3 independent judges. We have Mike Moans, awesome Twitch streamer and YouTuber who paints miniatures, paints terrain, and has a great community around him. And then we have the Miniature Mad Lad, also Twitch streamer and YouTuber who paints awesome miniatures with high details, and he has a very relaxed stream and an awesome YouTube channel. And finally, we have Apollos. He's an awesome Twitch streamer, also a gaming YouTube channel, and he has a great and huge project coming up very soon that I'm gonna talk about in a later video. I have absolutely no influence on their decision who's going to win this machine. They will review all the entries and choose the winner completely independently. Go follow their Twitch channels and remember to subscribe on their YouTube. I'll leave the links for all the channels down below in the description. The winner will be announced in the beginning of April. The link in the description if you want to buy one is valid until June 30th. Now this is what's inside the box. We have a huge solid frame for stability, and it will give you the cutting area of 450 by 400 millimeters. That's approximately 17 by 17 inches. And this 40-watt laser can cut through plywood, MDF, and opaque acrylics. You can engrave in all sorts of materials and it will just look awesome. We also have to talk about safety when operating a laser. We have some safety goggles and it's very important to use these all the time when the laser is running, and it's required by every people who's in the room when you are operating a laser. It also comes with an air assist, which is a very powerful air pump that will provide you with some air directly on the material you're cutting through or engraving, and it will give you less soot. But what's not in the box is the cutting table with the honeycomb, and you will need to get that separate if you're going to win this laser, or you have to figure out something that will protect your table. I will also highly recommend that you build some sort of enclosure around this laser for better ventilation, or at least for your safety. And you can watch the video up here how I did it. And at SimsonMall, you will also be able to get all the accessories that you will need for this laser: extension kits, tent, rotary tools, and a lot of other accessories. A huge thank you to SimsonMall for making this giveaway possible. Good luck to everyone who's entering this giveaway, and I will see you soon in the next video.